Hey, Oli, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me earlier. This is that free custom video that I was mentioning. And so today we're just going to go over a couple tips that you can apply today to start helping your website rank better and getting more of those leads. So, as you can see, we are on your website. You have a decent looking website. A little bit of content there. Looks like some keywords. Got some project photos. Um, those photos should be optimized with your keywords. Okay. Testimonials are good. Okay, so basically, in order to rank in Google, your website needs to have a lot of content, a lot of wording. Um, the rule of thumb is that your homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, focused on those buyer intent local keywords. Um, People may not know the name of your company, but they know the service they're looking for, and those are the specific keywords that you need to be focused on and targeting. And so you need 150 words for every buyer intent keyword you're trying to target. You also need to make sure you have enough pages. So your website should have a page for every type of single service you offer and also for your service areas. So if you're only serving Milford, Ohio, then this is fine. But if you're servicing Cincinnati and surrounding communities or counties, then you really need a separate page for every single area that has any search volume. Unfortunately, Google does not rank based on appearance. They use crawlers, which are little robots that index each of these pages, looking at your content and keywords so they can put you in front of your customers. When we look at one of your top competitors, Westside Pools, they also have a fairly decent looking website, but they're failing in a lot of the same areas. They don't have the individual pages that they need when they're servicing such a large community. They don't have enough content. And so they're not able to get the traffic that they should be driving, especially with such a large service area. These guys are going to be super easy to beat. And in some ways, you already are starting to beat them, and I'll show you. So, this is a program we use called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have an 8 for your domain rating. That's for your entire website as a whole. That's an 8 out of 100, which is pretty low. And that's 100% based on your referring domains and your backlinks. It looks like all of your backlinks, for the most part, are pointed to your home page, which does not help your keywords. And because you have over 300 and a low total domain score, that says a lot of these backlinks are of poor quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure you do follow highly authoritative backlinks and that you have a lot more than your top competition. You're currently being indexed for over 300 keywords, and you're seeing on average 208 people to your website per month. When we look at your competitor, they only have a 0.3, so you actually have a higher trust flow with Google. And partly because you have more backlinks. They don't have as many backlinks. They don't have as many keywords being indexed. Again, content for both you and your competitors is lacking, and that's why you're not being indexed as well as you should be. And they're actually getting less organic traffic. However, they are still outranking you organically for many of your keywords, and that is because of their backlinks. So, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your business, the more power it's going to give you and the higher it's going to boost you. But you need to make sure they do follow backlinks so that they share the power. And you also need to make sure that these backlinks are linking to your website with your keywords. As you can see here, all of these backlinks are either your brand name or just your home page. They're not going to any of your back pages or any of the keywords you're trying to rank for. And this is why um, the other company, even though they have a lower score, is able to outrank you with the keywords. And lastly, this is the Google My Business section or Google Map Pack. In Milford, you are in the top 3, but when you look at your service areas, you are not. So it's important to get this optimized so that you're in the top 3 in your service areas for your keywords. Because 30% of people are going to come straight to the maps and they're not going to go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're going to be handing those potential customers to your competitors. Now, there's a lot of factors that go into being in the top 3, but the main one is your, I just went blank there real quick, is, my goodness, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I just went blank. They're called citations. Citations is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Yellow Pages. So you need a lot of those. You need a ton of those and a lot more than your top competitors. If you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords in each of your service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is meant to be educational. However, if you do want help getting this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.